Exceptions in Java. Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore exceptions in Java. We'll understand how Java handles errors, how you can write safer code, and what interviewers typically ask on this topic. What are exceptions? In Java, an exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of program's execution. These disruptions are usually caused by errors like accessing a null object, dividing by zero, or trying to read a file that doesn't exist. Java's exception mechanism provides a structured way to handle these issues gracefully, so applications remain robust and user-friendly. Exception hierarchy. All exceptions in Java descend from the throwable class. There are two main branches, error and exceptions. Errors are typically serious issues beyond the application's control, like memory overflow. Exceptions can be checked or unchecked. Checked exceptions like IO exception must be handled explicitly. Unchecked exceptions like null pointer exception occur at runtime and don't need to be declared or caught. Checked versus unchecked exceptions. Checked exceptions are verified by the compiler. If not handled, the code won't compile. They represent recoverable conditions. Think of missing files or database errors. On other hand, unchecked exceptions are usually programming bugs like logic errors. While Java doesn't require you to handle these unchecked exceptions, you still should anticipate and prevent them. Try-catch block. The try-catch block lets us wrap code that might throw exceptions. If an exception occurs, control is transferred to the catch block. For example, dividing by zero throws an arithmetic exception. We catch that and print an error message instead of crashing the program. Finally block. The finally block is optional but powerful. It always runs after try-catch, regardless of whether an exception occurred. This makes it ideal for cleanup actions like closing files, releasing database connections. Throw and throws. The throw keyword is used to manually trigger an exception, while throws is used in method signatures to declare that a method might throw certain exceptions. This signals to callers that they must handle or propagate those exceptions. Creating custom exceptions. Java allows you to create custom exception classes by extending exception or runtime exception class. This is useful when standard exceptions don't describe your specific error condition clearly. It improves code readability and maintainability. Here are few best practices. Always catch the most specific exception first. Avoid catching generic exception unless absolutely necessary. Use finally blocks or try with resources to manage resources. And always log exceptions instead of silently ignoring them. Now let's move to the common interview questions. Question 1. What is the difference between final, finally and finalize? Final is a keyword to declare constants or prevent method or class overriding. Basically, it is an access modifier. On other hand, finally is a block that executes after try-catch. And lastly, finalize is a method called by the garbage collector before reclaiming the memory. Question 2. Can we have multiple catch blocks? Yes, Java allows multiple catch blocks to handle different exception types separately. Question 3. What happens if an exception is not caught? If uncaught, the exception propagates up the call stack. If no catch block is found, the JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine, terminates the program. To wrap up, Java exceptions are essential for creating robust, fault-tolerant applications. By using try-catch finally blocks, distinguishing between checked and unchecked exceptions, and following best practices, you can make your Java code much safer and easier to maintain.